National Assembly security people, they don't turn to Mike Tyson because of money. If na see fight, if na see blowing, I can't even wonder be na ring, na fighting ring, na they dey inside. Say, what did they even call him? One governor, what did they call him? Babagana Zulong. Abi na Zudlong. He enter, say making go meeting for that side. Come giving people small money, or make they just use them, share them as Agberu. Share them, say make these people take before we go see. People don't begin the hustle for money. Money where we say I sure say go even reach anything. Now people start to they fight, they beat themselves because of the money. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
Buruku, what the lamale, what the labo, the boat of blue, what the lamale. Yeah. Oh, what did I do? Oh, my madaru. Oh, you're good for winning. Yeah, got to push you on here. Good, I got the Losha. Where are you? So you that is all over. Where is the little bit for this all over?
On a don't see as poverty dey. On a see as poverty dey graduate. If they go school, secondary, primary, don't even come out for university. As they dey inside Nigeria. See people wey be security, I never know wetin they secure because all of them think I don't even know wetin this one fit secure. See them come here they fight on top of how much. This man will be saying go just he won't go discuss the development and insecurity where they happen. Or guy even go at least he even get better plans. Okay, the things where they happen, they get mind to discuss them. Now there the man go, this one inside even bone. As they go gather finish, bless the man come notice and say, okay, people support and people like his idea. Making just hustle to give them small money, make them service and cool their body. Now there everybody, everything just kata. I beg how much? If person where they pay well, one government official where they collect better salary, I'm not sure say the person go join this kind of crowd. Say one they fight. Because last the highest denomination been a nomination. Now 1,000 naira. So I beg how many you want pick for this grant? When we say person fly, don't in fact the person don't even tumble. It's on assault on top of how much? Nigeria us now they disgrace ourselves. See as politicians have been personnel, sit down they disgrace people. And this man I go sit down for a house. Sit down for a house, they enjoy money, government people money or tax people money. Now this one carry now they spray like saying they inside party. On another chop belleful now come carry na self say now they go this one. People will be say what did they do? In fact, this whole security they know what did they do. They know what did they do well. So make it not be like say they know they complain and sure say now what make them carry themselves come outside for here. Come spray this money. Those of now we pick and make na know say na don't chop out of the money. So if kata begin happen, make na no come they complain say they don't do this one, they don't do that one. He don't share half of the money when suppose you stay do something. I ain't don't give a soul. Because later na go still come outside they protest say they don't kidnap this one, they don't do that one. Money when they share, making use them. They go tackle the kind things where they happen. No be about mouth saying I go sit down for meeting say and they tackle development secure. No be about that one. Making a show action, make we see say the things when they do. They do and where. And all these people even go, in fact, shame go on. Shame, I suppose sing for them. Because this one when I do it don't even make sense. I don't even feel stand proud, say, okay, say our Nigerian personnel, security personnel for National Assembly, Abuja. See them, see what they do. Go stand there, say they disgrace themselves. My people, Nigeria is just tired person. I hear this one, I want to make her bring them, making herself using her ear. Hear what they happen inside this Nigeria, we all of us day. Make now don't forget to like, share, and also comment on this video what I just do now. I will see you for the next video. One man don't raise alarm to the yeye materials where government people they use to build road inside Edo State. Sure, this our government people, Nobody force on to do road. People complain, okay, road no good. On a con decide say na one drum, they can't use. I don't even know be na konkere. I been a waiting they even use. So what when they even good at all? Now they can't use. Go till they do the road. If you even see the gutter get 2K leg. One pass like this, another one pass like this. I beg if you know say na no ready. Now all motor say government motor na they stop one time inside mud. When they say people they happy say it catch on a side. Now making a con use na church mind do road safe na wahala for una. So now one maybe push out tire before na go know say na the good thing and the wrong thing. I sure self say na tailor na do this road. Because my people, if na see the road, in fact, no be say the man dey exaggerate, person wey dey talk, he no even overshout. If na see himself, na go wonder. My people, abeg, make na follow me watch.
Now we want to get Nigeria, we go work for all of us. Now all of us dey fight for. Igara na my community, Akukwa Edo na my local government. Nigeria na we country together. So if we dey see wetin no good, we go talk about am. When we do Secretariat Road, by the grace of God, when Edo State government do that Secretariat Road, I work for that Secretariat Road. And I know wetin I do there because na my community. If they say make I open reach, I go open everything because I tell the white man Koro say this one na my community. Wetin I fit do wey go help my community, I go do am. Today that road, e better pass the whole road wey dey Akukwa Edo. If they wan count good road for Edo State, that local government road join am. Oga make una see road wey dem dey do. Why see camera no back? They don't ever do road where we say the drainage go stop at that dead end. Nothing there. This granite, the drainage where they see so concrete road no day. I don't know where they go carry plaster, the plaster wall. Road no day, nothing there. See the ground. They do and come reach there then. Nothing there. Carry the video, they come where you show me. You go do road. If they want do road, after you pour rat slash, you go post them. See road though. See my hand. Now the road where they do be this. See the road. Now me, see. Now my bare hand be this. See am. You dey see am. This motor waka for this thing now. The very day go remove am. You dey see am. Now my hand I take the open now. So now our community be this. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I know say they go say the one where our people do. Where our people do senator, he not do. But that rubbish where they always talk say our bread is better than none. I kill Nigeria college today. So if you want to do something, do and where. You not put stone base, you not put anything. At least now somebody award this contract. You should look at the contractor that is doing this job. You not go do anything. Then you will say, they don't do it. At all, now the at all, now put us for where we did. So.
Edo State government people. See as na just fall on a hand. Person go use hand, they peel road they come out. No be magic be that one, because I know you understand. If na use the right things, I no sure say this thing would even come out. Gutter wey na build, the gutter no even lead to anywhere. Open road, if water pass now inside the land, now you go still stop for. Wetin na come build the gutter for? When I know say I no go link am to anywhere. Later now if rain fall, they go dey blame the citizens say, na then they pour dirty for there, na make gutter block. My people abeg, na see gutter wey they build. Gutter wey be like wetin I no even know. Gutter just twist like snake. You no get destination, you no get road, just dey go. All these government people, I know you understand. In fact, the person who I suppose blame me. I don't even know behind the constructor, person who build this road. I been at the government because I sure say, therefore don't come out their own money, these politicians and government people. Maybe the money where they won't pay these contractors, they don't come up big one. So the money where remain. Now I make them this contractors, they come decide, okay, now what did they get? Now they go use, they build this road. Road where be say person carry one finger, road begin peel. I mean, what it can be the, what thing I even do am for? Now be my own question. Because caterpillar no go fit even pass this road. Oh. If one small caterpillar, in fact, the road go, I don't even want to say it go sink. Ordinary gravel they no put. Clay sand, red sand. Then they just put under, carry the whole black this thing, cover am. So when notice a mosquito when they climb the road, who I expect when they climb this road before. Now when government people in our time, making a fix country, if they complain say road no good, making a fix them. No be saying I can't do something halfway and I go to talk say half bread is better than none. Nobody beg on nobody because last if now even can commission this road, there be anything we na do. Now I go still pass this road. If motor pass this thing now like 20 times, what if be 20 times? 5 times, it don't finish. Road don't scatter again. And this contrast is supposed to bring the commerce side. I beg as now no say this money where they give it no go reach. Enough for no even start am. Tell the people say okay, this thing when I want to do, the road no go even last, the road no go good. Make them do am well. No be say now I can't sit down because of say longer throat money when I say one chop. And I can't come now suppose even they accountable. Plus the Edo State government make they carry all of na sit down. Ask na questions. Because I sure say the budget where they go even collect for this money. And I know our government people, they fit talk saying 150 billion for the cement, 1 million this one for this one. And not, in fact, they no go even use half of that money to do any of this road. I bet wetin na come they serve the country for. Wetin na dey there dey serve them these people for? Later na go come outside say they dey against una. Now because of the kind things wey na dey do, na make people dey complain. Na make people dey vex say the things wey na dey do, e no good. And I feel this man pain because the way wey this man talking, na everything wey dey people mind, na him go wan talk. And somebody said they complain say at least they don't do the road. At least they do the road, but e no good. E no even dey okay at all. Road wey fit just destroy. If one rain fall like this, everywhere don scatter. Wetin come be the need wey dey do am? My people abeg, this Edo State wahala say fit tire me. I hear this one I come make I bring am come una side. Make una service na ear, hear wetin dey happen. Make una no forget to comment anything wey una feel about this whole matter. Make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like and also share this video.